Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 6, and we are learning unit number 3, and its title is He is a Carpenter. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 1, we will learn about pronoun antecedent, and we will cover a page on page number 33. Before in English for grade 5, my dear students, we have already learned about pronouns. Okay, what are pronouns? So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn more about it. Our today's students' learning outcomes are: demonstrate use of pronoun antecedent, agreement recognizing their relationship. So we will cover up that how noun and pronoun antecedent can be agreed with each other. Okay, so we will cover up this as well. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 212, for Allah bestows His abundance without measure on whom He wills. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, this beautiful verse is telling us about the blessings of Almighty Allah, that Allah Almighty, how many countless blessings are there that Allah has blessed on us, and everyone needs blessings of Almighty Allah. Definitely, I also need, you also need, you also want that Allah should bless us more and more. But Allah blessed His abundance without mere on whom? Who He wills. So yes, my dear students, to whom He wills, yes, who obey Allah. So let's pray that Allah Almighty bless us strength to obey His, and His also to obey His orders and to obey His everything that He ordered to us. Ameen. So yes, my dear students, do you know these words? He and that. Yes, this is noun and pronoun. So let's see. We are going to refresh our knowledge. So are you ready? What is a pronoun, my dear students? Do you know that? What is a pronoun? Okay. How do you select a pronoun to replace a noun? Excellent job. I hope you have responded it. So let's see. What is a pronoun? Yes. A word that replaces a noun is called pronoun, e.g. I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. We already know, my dear students, that when we replace a noun, so which word we use? We use a pronoun. Okay, so to replace a noun, it is according to the noun, which type of noun that is. So as same as we use a pronoun to replace it. Okay, so next, a pronoun must agree with its noun in genders and numbers. So yes, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, so what we have to care? We have to care while replacing a noun with a pronoun. So a pronoun must agree with its noun. In genders, we have already learned about genders, means either it is masculine, feminine, neuter, or common gender. So we have to care about. And numbers. So what are numbers? Numbers singular or plural, one or more than one, things or persons are there. So we have to be care about this while replacing a noun with a pronoun. Okay, so this is called a noun pronoun agreement. Okay, so next is how we can see that, how we can judge that. A masculine pronoun must replace a masculine noun, and a feminine pronoun must replace a feminine noun. Okay, my dear students, if our noun is a masculine, so we will replace it with a masculine pronoun. Okay, so what are masculine? Male persons and male animals are masculine noun. Okay, we got that. And if our noun is a masculine related in male persons, so we will get them, change them into a masculine pronoun, and a feminine pronoun will replace a feminine noun. Okay, feminine noun we can categorize into feminine things like females. Okay, so we have to be careful. And the next is how we can get numbers. A singular pronoun replaces a singular noun, and a plural pronoun replaces a plural noun. So be careful. If there is a singular pronoun, so we will replace a singular noun. Okay, when we are going to replace a singular noun, it is a one thing or a person or a place. So what we will use? We will use a singular pronoun. If the pronoun is plural, means more than one, then these are plural things. So when we are replacing, my dear students, plural things, plural nouns, so we will use plural pronoun. Okay, so these are rules while replacing a noun. Okay, my dear students, so now we will get through examples. Bilal drove his car. See there, my dear students, Bilal drove his car. So do you know who is Bilal? Masculine or feminine? Yes, Bilal is a masculine, a male, a boy. So what is its pronoun? His. Yes, his car. And one thing more, you can get that, his own car. Bilal is driving, Bilal drove his own car. So it is agreeing. Bilal is a singular person, my dear students. You can see also Bilal is a singular person, and it is, and pronoun is agreeing into number and also in gender. Gender is masculine and also number, and according to number that is also singular. So that's why we have used his. Okay, and the next example is there. The boys finished their task. So you can see that boys, also masculine gender, my dear students. You can see there, and S is there. So yes, more than one. So you can count 4 boys are there. So boys is a single plural noun. So we have replaced with a plural pronoun. Yes, good. So we have replaced their task. Okay. Next example is there. Hadi dropped his book on the floor. Hadi dropped his book. So you can see masculine gender, and his is also a masculine pronoun. Good. And singular thing, my dear students. So you can see there, Salma lives with her parents. She loves them. So you can judge one thing in this example, my dear students. Salma. Salma is singular. Okay, and which gender this is? Yes, she is a girl, feminine gender. And parents, do you know parents? Yes, common gender. Parents into common gender. She. So what we have replaced? She, Salma. That Salma is replaced by she. This is a pronoun. And loves them. So parents we have replaced by them, because common noun but plural, S is there. Okay, plural noun, and we have replaced by them. So have you got that, my dear students, how we can replace noun according to how we can replace noun according to the pronoun. So we have to be careful while replacing. Okay, so let's see, open your book, page number 33, my dear students, and let's see what does your book say about it. Pronoun-antecedent agreement. The word antecedent means something that precedes something else. Okay, the antecedent means something precedes something else. Okay, that precedes means follow, that the previous thing as we had followed in our sentences. You can see this is called preceding something. In language, it is the word that a pronoun refers back to. Okay, in language, English language, it means the pronoun refer back to. So then we can get as antecedent. Since the pronoun replaces the noun, it has to agree in number or gender. Yes, same thing that we have got just now. So the pronoun which replaces the noun must agree within these ways. So number 1 is there, my dear students. Read out. You should also read out. A feminine pronoun must replace a feminine noun. A masculine pronoun must replace a masculine noun, and a singular pronoun must replace a singular noun. A plural pronoun must replace a plural noun. Okay, have you got now, my dear students, that how we can replace a noun with its actual pronoun? Good. So, see, example is also there. Rahmat hired the man for the job. He knew him personally. So, did you judge? Rahmat, there is a word man, he, and him. So, let's see the singular masculine subject noun Rahmat. So, Rahmat is being used in this sentence, my dear students, as a subject. So, what is subject? We already know that subject performs actions. Okay. So, who is performing action? Rahmat. Rahmat is replaced by singular masculine subject pronoun he, and in second sentence we have replaced Rahmat with he. And why we have used he? Yes, because Rahmat is a man. Good. And the singular masculine object noun man with object pronoun him. So have you got that? That man is being used as an object. What is an object? Object receive action of subject, and that man is receiving the action of Rahmat. So that man is a noun, and that noun is being used as an object in a sentence. So what we have to do, my dear students? Yes, we did that. We replaced that man with an object pronoun him. We already learned about personal pronoun, my dear students. So you can revise them also. So this is an objective case of he, his, him. Good. Okay, have you got that now? Good job. So let's perform an activity to get that how much knowledge you have got, my dear students. So be ready, my dear teachers. Make pair of students and call all the pairs one by one near the whiteboard. One student will write a sentence on the board and other partner will underline noun and circle the pronoun in the sentence. Okay, my dear teacher, first of all do that. You will make pair of students and then call one by one. Okay, next what you will have to do, my dear teacher? Ask the students to explain pronouns in the sentences according to the numbers and genders. Engage whole class in this activity to build strong concept about noun-pronoun agreement. Okay, my dear teachers and my dear students, first of all, my dear teachers, you will get this activity in your class and you will engage whole class in this activity. Okay, pause the video, I am waiting for you, and then come back. Excellent job and welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed and you have got how we can replace a noun with an actual pronoun. Good job. So now it's time to perform an individual activity on your book. Open book, page number 34, my dear students. Question number A is there. Choose a pronoun that agrees with its antecedent. Okay, so perform this activity on your book individually. I'm waiting for you and then come back. Good job, excellent. I hope you have done it in a nice way. So what's our homework for today? Write a short paragraph with the correct use of pronoun antecedent agreement in your notebooks. So my dear students, you will write a short paragraph. It can be on 8 to 10 sentences. It's up to you. A short paragraph you will write and you will use pronoun antecedent agreement. You will care, okay? So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet, and this worksheet you must provide to your students in printed form to build strong concept about pronoun antecedent. So what we have learned today, my dear teachers and my dear students, today we learned about pronoun antecedent agreement according to gender and numbers. Okay, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate use of pronoun antecedent agreement, recognizing their relationship. Yes, my dear teachers and my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and also you have got the concept of pronoun antecedent agreement. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that, stay blessed. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.